Look at this 5 hour and 10 hour. This is how you can ping pong throughout the day. Watch till the end for the complete breakdown of these trades. Hello and welcome back to another episode. So today I'm going to share a trade that I took on 24th of September. So I'm only showing you two trades that I took during the London session. I took a couple of more trades during the London session, but I'm only showing you the main trade of the day. And reason why I'm showing you this trade particularly, this is how you can trade into the manipulation, and then this is the accumulation phase, and this is the main trade. This is the trade that you should be taking most of the time. So the first trade was approximately 5 hour trade, and the second trade is approximately 10 hour trade. So let's break down these two trades. So as always, first we will go to the higher time frame and let's mark out the liquidity first. As you can see, this was the liquidity that we were targeting for the first trade. This is the high of last month. Okay, so this is the first liquidity to the upside. Asian low is our target for the second trade. So let's go down to the 5-minute time frame. So what you can see here is, so the market for the entire day was trending downwards. So the market is now faking that it is now ready to sell. But how I trade is, I target the liquidity points, the major liquidity points in the market. And this was the liquidity point that I was expecting market to take out. And I was also expecting sell after taking out this major liquidity point from last month. Okay, so let's go down to 1-minute time frame and see how we entered the trade. So let's delete these two first. Okay, so what you can see, first the market was trending downwards the entire day, and then the market started making these upward channels. So I was expecting the market to take out these high first and then come down. Okay, so for the first trade, what you can see, this was the last POI that broke this structure point. So let's mark it as POS. Okay, so before coming down and mitigating this point, the market first gave a fake break of structure to the upside. Let's mark this as fake POS. So this is all on 1-minute time frame. So most of the early buyers are taken out. This is the SMT zone. So most of the early buyers are taken out here. So the market comes down, taps into the real POI, then give us a real big break of structure to the upside right over here. So my first entry was right here, stops below the low. See, this is still confirmed entry. Even though it is on 1-minute time frame, it is still very confirmed low risk entry. So the market came down and mitigated this push to the downside, this entire push to the downside. And once market taps into this, just a moment. So the market taps into this POI and goes up, takes out the last week's high. My target was this high, but I manually closed this trade around here, approximately 5 hour. So this was the first trade for 5 hour. I closed 100% of my positions over here. So after this, I was looking for a sell entry in the New York session. So what you can see here, market came down and made a juicy double bottom. So the most of the support and resistance traders are buying from these areas because they see this as a strong support. Okay, so we wait for our entry. So market came up, took out this high again, and then gave us a POS. This is the POS to the downside. This is your POI. Your entry right here. Stop goes above this high. So this is about 3.6 pips stop loss, and you can target the Asian low. This is approximately 1:10 hour trade. So this was my trade from 24th of September. I hope you guys learned something from it. And if you guys have any question, please let me know down in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you.